Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Sir Tan! Happy birthday from Jollibee Malasingi!
Yo, pare sir! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come!
Sa aking kaibigan, classmate at kumpare, happy birthday sa'yo. Simple lang naman ang wish ko sa'yo. Sana maging masaya ka, mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo. Good health at sana mag-iingat ka dyan lagi. God bless and happy birthday again.
Hi Sir Tan, happy birthday! More blessings to come and keep safe. Enjoy your day.
Hey, happy birthday, Sir Samyang! More blessings! Happy Canadian birthday!
Happy birthday, Tan! Enjoy your birthday! Ingat palagi!
Happy birthday, Tito Tan!
Hello, Tan. Happy birthday. Ingat palagi dyan and always pray. Huwag masyadong pa-stress. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Tan. Wish you all the best. Ingat palagi dyan. God bless.
Hello, Tan! Good morning! Bumabata na tayo. Pero mukha, bata. Yung bilang lang ang tumataas. Pero bata. Hapan Atan! Wish you all the best! Malakas na pangangatawan para isang araw magsama-sama ulit tayo. Masaya. Buo ulit pamilya. Bye! Ingat lagi!
Hello, Atan. Happy birthday to you. Stay safe always and always be healthy. God bless you.
Hi, Atan. Happy birthday. Welcome blessings to you. And good luck. Many more birthdays to come. Always good night. Every day. Again, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, Papa.
Birthday, Papa!
Wish you good health.
Well,
May the Lord God
God,
bless you always.
always
Sana lahat ng dreams mo
glimpse mo.
will come true.
Bless you.
We miss you.
Bless you.
Love you,
Love you.
Papa.
I love you, Papa.
Happy birthday!